Want to grab attention and convert viewers into customers? Let's build a killer video ad using Adobe After Effects. First, let's start a new project in After Effects and begin by assembling our foundational elements, our storyboards, text, images, and audio. We will begin by importing your assets, such as images and brand logos, into the project panel. Be sure to organize them strategically in folders. Now it's time to build our composition. Think of this as your advertisement canvas. Decide on the duration of your ad. Let's say 15 seconds for this example. Start by adding your background element, then layer your visual assets, such as text, images, and logos. On top, scale and position the objects appropriately. Your composition. Next, let's animate these elements. After Effects makes animation easy. Select an object, set keyframes to define the start and end points of your animation. Apply effects to your objects, like position, scale, rotation, and opacity, and see the magic happen. Play with the timing and experiment with different animation styles, such as ease, to make the movements more interesting. Add visual effects. You can find these in the Effects and Presets panel. Effects like blur, glow, or distortion can add extra flair to your ad. Try applying a Gaussian blur to create a smooth transition to your assets. Don't forget the power of audio. Import your background music or voiceover into a project in the timeline. Adjust the audio level based on preference. Sync the audio to your story by synchronizing text layers with audio or animating to the beat of music for maximum impact. Review your final video ad. Does it tell a compelling story in a short time? This is where you make adjustments to the duration, timing, and effects. The best approach to creating effective video ads is to experiment, refine, and test different versions. Remember to research industry benchmarks for file size and resolution to best target your audience. Good luck.